All right, welcome back, clan. This is your Bitcoin update leading into the week of April 15th. The halving event is right upon us, and we've had a price drop. Before we carry on and I tell you my thoughts as to where Bitcoin is going to go, let's just quickly review this clip from my previous video. Do a couple hypotheticals of some more downside. So let's pull a broader range on this VWAP. And you can see on this broader range pull, you can see how we've just been riding this green all the way up, and we're just right on it right now. So on this broader range pull, you can see if we retest this mid VWAP, that comes down to my ascending channel chart lines. So you got mid coming in here around 61,000, and bottom range, which would align with this trading block coming in heavily, around the 52K region. Okay, so this purple box represents our previous top trading range, and we did fail to hold it. So we came back down, we were testing this top VWAP, and we eventually lost it to backtest. And what do you know? We came down to that mid VWAP and the ascending channel line. And we tested that perfectly, right in that 61,000 zone. To be more specific, on this chart, it came to 60,711. Now, here's what I'm seeing right at this moment. Bitcoin did rally back up. We did meet resistance. And we have a confluence of things here on my end. We have our ascending channel resistance. We have our Fibonacci pull. So we did drop below the 236 to backtest the 382. And we're finding resistance perfectly at the 236 at the moment. So the obvious upside is we just need to break that level and hold it. And we've got this daily level right here to contend with that we need to get past. And then if we do get past this, I think we'll just rally back up and test our VWAP here and back up into our ascending channel. More importantly, we must be very cognizant that this dip may not be over. And I'm just going to go back historically for just a moment here, back into previous bull market. So you can see we had three major pullbacks on the way up. We got a 31% here, 26, nearly 27% there, and a 27% there. Let's say our average pullback is about 29%. So if we do that here from the top, 29% could put us down into this bottom VWAP perfectly, and this very strong level of support. Right at this moment, I am completely neutral. So right here, among other members of my group, we did buy altcoins right here at the bottom. Many of our altcoin targets hit that we'd been planning and waiting for. And now, right at the present moment, as I film this, I am completely neutral because one of three things is going to happen. Scenario one is we are going to break this level, and we are going to come up, and we're going to catch resistance here and roll back over. Scenario two is we break this and we go into new highs. Scenario three is we're just going to roll over and make new lows. Now my low levels are coming in at this 50% fib, right at 56,800, which I do not see much confluence. We have a daily level there that is confluent. And we have the golden pocket coming in at the 61866 and confluent with this zone here. So that box right there, maybe just down to that channel. So we're talking price zones between 52,800 down to 50,000. This could also be hit before we go back up. Just to serve a reminder, this zone down here does come in at 29% average pullback. And we do have bearish news. I'm not going to repeat what it is. And we won't know the effects of that on the stock market till it opens. Pre-market is in pretty good shape. On the ES, if we look, pre-trading hours, but let's see how it opens. This could be just lulling people to sleep, saying it's okay, only for the New York to open tomorrow morning and it just slam us down. And just to pick a popular altcoin, this is WIF. I mean, if we get a pullback in such cases, this is the price action we could be looking at. We could come down and touch the 786 at $1.16. So I'm curious to see how that one plays out if and when we get a further pullback. Otherwise, in group, you can see how I already had these levels pre-marked, looking for the 786 coming at $1.60 on FET, remember that. And another one on Engine, bottom target coming in at 1794. And there's FET, hit on the 786 perfectly at that $1.60. And Engine, bottom target at $18, right on the money. So if you'd like to join the group where I give precise TA calls on your favorite altcoins and we monitor them, We go live several times a week. You can ask me questions directly and we can have a discussion. Link is in the bio. Come try it out for a month. I'll give you 50% off your first month. And I'll have a lot more data to go on depending on how tomorrow behaves. Till the next time, stay savage.